Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to turn or make PowerPoints from Word documents with Copilot. So Microsoft Copilot can turn a Word document into a PowerPoint presentation in just a few clicks. It automatically analyzes the content, creates slides, generates titles, and suggests visuals based on the information in your documents. So first of all, what do we need to do? We need to prepare our documents Word. So go to Word, make sure that you have the actual Copilot chat, go to Word, and basically here you need to create a new document. And you could use Copilot to generate a text for you simply by going to Copilot option, which could be next to Acrobat, and then write your prompt to generate an article or something like that. So let's say once you have your content ready in here, what should we do? Now for best result, you need to manage your text format. Make sure that you are using headings and subheadings, separating topics into sections, including clear titles, and keep content structured and easy to follow, so the AI can section them into slides. And the second thing, once you are finished with that, you need to open PowerPoint. The same thing, go to here, open PowerPoint. Now on the PowerPoint screen, what you will need to do is very simple. So launch PowerPoint, create a new presentation, and on the screen, go to Copilot, which is going to be also next to Acrobat, and click on create a presentation from a file. Alternatively, open a blank presentation and click the Copilot button in the ribbon. Then select your own Google document or Word document that you've created before, and simply Copilot will analyze the document and begin generating slides based on its content. Now, what does it do? Copilot typically creates a title slide, section slides, content slides, summary or conclusion slides, and suggests speaker notes. So, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.